Erin. So I'm here getting my makeup done by my good friend Erin.
Hi!
Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Erin from MAC Mall. I've been with MAC for almost 7 years and I am a fashion show trained artist. So today, what we're gonna do is make Ham into a groomed male. Very clean look for everyday.
Yes.
It's for everyday. We need to use this beautiful highlight and sculpting palette. This one, yes.
Kahit sa mirror na lang.
How much is this, Erin?
This one is 3,550. Same with the Hyper Real Glow, which is our new highlighter palette.
Is it limited edition?
No, it's actually basic business, so it means it's continuous. So first off, I already primed Ham's skin with the softening lotion. This is from the Lightful line. This is very useful as it is a toner. So you can prep your skin with this one before using any makeup. And then I'm priming your skin with Fix Plus. So this is our Prep and Prime Fix Plus. It's for setting and priming the face. So I'm just gonna set.
How much is that?
That one is 1,250.
So I used to work with Erin back when I was still working with Gigablack at the store. She was a guest artist.
Oh, I was already in the Plantelia for Alaman, waiting hours.
Yeah. So while she was waiting, she was there with me and with everyone else.
So next off, this is the Natural Radiance. It's also a primer. I'm gonna put it after the Fix Plus. So this will give Ham natural glow on the skin, but also it has oil control benefits. Yeah. So this is it.
How much is that?
That one is 2,600. I'm using the 170 brush. This is one of our best brushes to use for everything and for everything that we're gonna put on here. So I'm just putting it all over Ham's face using a circular motion and pressing it in. How does it feel, Ham?
The brush is very soft.
Yeah.
And the primer is very, I don't know if it's because it's cool here, but it's pretty cool. So you won't recommend this for someone who's dry?
Actually, I would recommend it for someone who has also dry skin because the Natural Radiance has two purposes. The primary purpose is for oily skin. So, like I said before, it has oil control. But if you have really dry or dehydrated skin, this will help you to moisturize. Yeah.
On top of a moisturizer?
Yes, on top of the moisturizer. So, sometimes artists, what they do is they put on concealer first. But what I'm going to do is put foundation first. So we're using the Studio Fix Fluid in NC27. So we have a new range of colors for the Studio Fix line. These are extended shades. So we have the really light ones from C4, C2 to NW60. So those are the really dark ones. Okay. So I'm still going to use the same brush. And I'm just gonna tap in on the areas where Ham needs it the most.
Erin, I remember MAC released before, even before they extended the shade range. They had an NW50. Is that still available?
It's still available. So with the 170 brush, I'm just tapping it in on the areas that Ham needs it the most.
Which is everywhere.
Just everywhere. Just kidding. And then blending it in with a circular motion. And just pressing in the excess foundation on the eyes as well. So that's foundation. It may seem like we're gonna use too much, but we're not. So this is just 2 shades of Mineralize Concealers. Concealers. So why 2 shades? Some people ask. helpful. As in proven helpful. I'm just gonna not line them up. Same with the next color. This is NC35. The NCs are our neutral tools. So these have yellow undertones. Just to even out whatever Ham has undertones. So still using the same brush. See, sobrang ganda talaga nitong brush na to. Yeah. And I'm just pressing it in. And see how much brighter that is, right?
But Erin, would you use like the mineralized concealer for weddings?
Not really. I would use maybe the Pro Longwear concealers. So when the bride cries, it doesn't crease. Because the mineralized ones, they're very light. Even if you set it, it might move. So you really have to use like the Pro Longwear water-based ones, especially if the client has more oily skin type.
Erin, do you bake?
I do, but if I'm really hungry, I just cook, you know. No, I'm just kidding. I do, pero sometimes kasi masyado na siyang
Cakey.
yeah, it tends to get too cakey and parang nagiging hype lang siya. For me, it's
Me
just a
too.
hype. So, this is actually a no-no. But
one?
fake foundation and foundation.
Oh.
But I'm using the Studio Fix.
That's a no-no. That's a do-do for me.
It's a do-do. That's a yes,
No,
yes.
yeah, that's a yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Well, sometimes kasi, di ba, if some people kasi, oh, I'm putting on foundation over foundation. Of course, for us artists, it's nice kasi it really sets in what you have already on your face that's liquid. Pero since yun nga, sometimes it's a no-no, I'm gonna use the 150 brush. This is a big fluffy brush and I'm just tapping it in. Tap, tap, tap. And then, I'm just gonna set the most part of the face that has a lot of product, which is the under eyes, since we have there the concealer and the foundation. For the rest of the face, we're just tapping it in.
So I'm traveling later back to the Leuven and we'll see how it...
We'll see how it
Wear
how it
test,
goes.
yeah.
So we're done with that, and we are now going to sculpt the face. Actually, Ham has a very ang tawag doon? His face is already sculpted, but my double chin I know is showing now. I have to do this. But yeah, sometimes kasi if we put on like too much foundation, it really wipes out everything.
Yeah.
So we need to add color back to our face.
Flat, yeah.
Yes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the 168 brush, which is my super duper favorite brush. So I'm gonna use the 168 brush, and then I'm gonna dip it in the two colors that's most dark, that's more darker, which are these two, which is Taupe and Sculpt. And then for men's grooming kasi, sometimes people tend to forget that a guy's face is different from a girl.
True.
So what we're gonna do is, the tip of the brush, we're just gonna put it a trigger of the ear, which is this part right here. And instead of sculpting, instead of sculpting it like this with a curve, we're just gonna do it in a straight motion. This way, kasi for guys, diba, it doesn't have to have that parang C shape.
Yeah. Erin, am I right? Because I notice whenever I do makeup on clients that cool toned contour powders are better for fair skin, and then warm toned are for
darker skin tone. Yes, I totally agree. Yes, and we will contour Ham's forehead because this is my favorite part.
But that's why we have bangs. So there's no need for
I
contour.
cannot grow back.
Why?
Because I'm a curly haired girl.
to have dreadlocks. Yeah.
This is like a simple trick. You don't have to buy like a dozen brushes every time. If you have the 168 brush or any contour brush, you just have to pinch it. And then from the tip of the eyebrow to the tip of the nose, the excess powder, you can just sweep it on.
Erin and I follow this YouTuber. Her name is Taupe. Her makeup was done by J-Lo's makeup artist. You should see how he does the nose contour. It's so amazing.
Really?
Yeah. What he did was he used like this kind of brush and made straight two lines, and that was the contour. It looks so good.
Oh my god,
so good.
I will try that next time. Whole contour for the face. Sometimes doing blush on men's grooming, it's not really nice to look at, so it really looks fake. So what I do is, with the same brush, I can just wipe it off, and then using that lighter color from the palette, just sweep it across the bones to imitate like a blush effect.
How about a warm contouring powder?
Yeah, they
Is that
can
okay?
also use a warm contouring powder, or maybe a blush that's more light brownish tone, maybe copper tone or
Harmony.
Okay.
I still know my products.
I know, right? You know, once a Mac girl, always a Mac. We'll just just a hint.
Lightly, yeah.
Yes, just a hint of highlight.
No blinding highlight.
Yes.
Erin, that's my concern. I've always wanted to use Fix Plus on the highlighters. My concern is, would they harden or stiffen?
No, actually, what's nice about the Max highlighters is they're baked.
Okay.
So you can actually wet your brush and just dip it.
Okay.
Or you can dip it first and then
Wipe it. Okay.
What I'm gonna do is just spritz. 2 spritz on it. And then we're gonna tap off the excess, and then the highest part of the cheek, we're just gonna tap it in. Finally, actually I really don't like putting on lip gloss on guys. Because other than it looks girly, it looks fake.
Okay.
What I'm gonna do is get Prep and Prime lip, and then just put it all over. So the lips won't look as dry. Totoo naman eh. Sige, final touch. I'm gonna do brows. You guys should see Ham in his back heydays because he's the king of weird brows. But I love him for that. I'm like, oh my god, I don't have brows and he has a lot. So for grooming, what I use is 2 false lashes for the eyebrows. This false lash maximizer, it's actually white. But what this will do is help the brows to get a little bit thicker and to stand out more. I'm just gonna brush all over and then brush it outwards. When I was in college, oh my god, I like shaved everything off. And then the brows that you're seeing now are fake. Zoom in mo ba yung brows ko?
No.
Okay. And then, so I'm just gonna take that same brush for the extended makeup. This is actually a nice bottom lash line mascara.
Erin, Giga is the waterproof?
Yeah, Giga is the waterproof. And then I'm just gonna brush it up.
Ooh, that's nice.
Nice.
But Erin, would that work without the white thing?
It will work without that white thing if your brows is full. So it's going to look
But for me, would it work without? Or I need the white
you
thing?
need the white thing, yeah. You need the maximizer. It's one. And then for ladies who don't have as much lash hairs, you can also use that. So what we're doing is those natural brows. And since this is have to be super
Instagram
yeah,
brows.
Instagram brows. I hate those.
I love what you did there.
I hate those kind of
But Erin's makeup is not for, you know, not for everyday, kind of like what she's doing to me. This is a look, a specific look that she's doing.
So actually we're done. I'm just gonna set everything with the Fix Plus again since this is our Prep and Prime setting spray. But before I do that, I'm gonna take my 217 brush and then I'm just gonna dip in that taupe shade and just sweep it across the eyelid. So it's very natural, and since sometimes the lid gets oily, this will mattify it. Pero very natural. So I'm just setting everything with the Fix Plus, and we're done.
Yay! Thank you, Erin.
You're welcome. I love their body.
Yeah, I know. I love the brows.
Diba?
Yeah.
Super nice.
Very cool.
And that is our simple male cream.
Yes.
Thank you.